why Orlando Pirates signed Daniel Msendami from Marumo Gallants. Daniel Msendami has just joined Orlando Pirates now in the January transfer window. And this has raised questions from people who are saying, why is Orlando Pirates adding another winger into their squad? So I'm here to provide clarity as to why Orlando Pirates needed to make this signing. And looking at the wingers that are currently available in the Betway Premiership, this is the one signing that makes sense in terms of the wingers that are available in our league. Number one, Orlando Pirates have just lost Munapule Saling. Of course, I know that